Hi everyone, today's video is a set of almond shaped clear jelly cherub nails. These are a little holiday set I did for my brother's girlfriend. I did all the cuticle prep off camera, and you've just seen me put my dehydrating primer on, and I'm just popping on a thin clear layer to start with. Just done this just so that I've got a little base to work on and it can be filed back to if needed. The brush that I'm using is my size 10 Diamond Nail Supplies acrylic brush, and all the acrylic products that I'm using today, including my top coat and cuticle oil at the end, is also from Diamond Nail Supplies, and I have a discount code for you which is Emma10, so you can get yourself 10% off if you want to place an order. And I'll just let you know what other little bits and pieces I'm using throughout the video. So after I've finished applying that thin layer of acrylic to all the nails, I'm just going in with one coat of the gel bottle. I think this colour is called Bling or #Bling or something. I just wanted a holographic base, but I wanted the glitter to be very sparse, so the nails mainly see-through, and this was the perfect thing for that. I have got other videos of me doing gel polish encapsulated in acrylic. I call these hybrid nails. They might not be hybrid nails to anyone else, but that's what I call them. And yeah, I have got some other videos on this, so check those out. So once that gel polish is finished curing and my client brings a hand out of the lamp, I'm just applying these Mary nail decals. I think these are from Shop Kiki. Lots of great decals on there. I've bought from there a few times. So I'm just trimming off the excess, and then I'm coming in with a little tiny bead of acrylic here, and then adding a little golden coloured metal nail alloy that looks like it's like a crucifix, and I'm going to encapsulate this because I find that these are, one, hard to stay stuck on, and two, they lose their colour. They are better encapsulated, but obviously you have to sort of build the nail up quite thick and do a lot of filing with it afterwards. So then moving on to the other nails, I'm just going in with these little cherub nail stickers, which I got from AliExpress actually for really, really cheap. Because I've really struggled to actually find anything like these anywhere else, despite the trend. It's actually been hard to find cherub decals or stickers anywhere, but yes, if you just search that in AliExpress, that's what come up. They were super cheap, and I got about 2 sheets of them. It was free shipping, and they were like £2 or something, but obviously they just took ages to arrive. That's the only downfall with that website. And now I'm just going in with a little bit of gold detailing, using the gel bottle. I think this is Cleopatra. It's like a nice sort of solid liquidy yellow gold colour, and I'm just using a dotting tool to sort of like splodge a few little bits around the edges, just to add a little bit of dimension really. And then so I get my client to cure those for 30 seconds under the LED light, and then I'm just coming in with my clarity now and encapsulating all of the nails, and then I'll move on to filing.
Somos Adán y Eva y estoy listo pa' tomar el castigo. Yeah. Y todo lo prohibido y los pecados que tú y yo hemos cometido. Hacen por ahí tose todas esas poses que tú conoces. Gracias a mi mujer, ni tu amigo, pero en vivo solo contigo disfruto el show, bebé. Alright, pasita, dime pa' dónde vas, que yo te caigo donde sea. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Amarte es mi maña, que lo que toca mi mano se dañan. Pero amor es lo que dicen, como un color entre los grises. Yo nunca te fallé, tú no eres cualquiera. Tú eres la mujer, mi corazón anhela. Pasan por ahí todas esas poses que tú conoces. Gracias a mi mujer, ni tu amigo, pero en vivo solo contigo disfruto el show, bebé. Alright, pasita, dime pa' dónde vas, que yo te caigo donde sea. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami.
So first thing I'm doing is just neatening up the side walls and the shape of that almond on all of the nails. The file that I am using is the metal file board from Glitter Planet, which I do like, but I don't really, it's the only thing I ordered from Glitter Planet, and I think Jade at Diamond Nail Supplies said that she's going to get some metal file boards in soon, so I'm looking forward to that, because then I can just order. I like to order a lot of my stuff from the same place because it's just easy. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. And then now I'm just sort of going around that cuticle area of the nail with a, what do you call this, a cone? No, is it a cone? I can't remember now. I think it's a fine grit cone carbide, and this is really good for like helping you get those cuticles nice and flush, especially if you've done like what I did on the middle nail where the acrylic was a bit thicker to encapsulate that metal cross. It just really saved me some time, like with my hand file, but I do still go in with my hand file, as you can see here, to really refine the shape and everything, but I do like to try to use an e-file where I can, just because sometimes hand filing you don't realise it, but it does really like take its toll in your like arm and shoulders. Like, sometimes I file so much that I feel like I've got a giant right arm and shoulder, like the Hulk or something. But yeah, so once I've finished filing these, then I cleanse the nails and then wipe them over with acetone, just because they're quite clear. I don't want them to look too cloudy, so I wipe over with the acetone. A little tip from good old Kirsty Meakin to get some of those scratches out, and then I'll go in with my top coat. Oh no, I don't go in with top coat, I do crystals, so yeah, that's up next.
La forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Amarte es mi maña, que lo que toca mi mano se daña. Pero amor es lo que dicen, como un color entre los grises. Yo nunca te fallé, tú no eres cualquiera, tú eres la mujer, mi corazón anhela. Son por ahí todas esas poses que tú conoces, gracias a mi mujer. Ni tu amigo, pero en vivo solo contigo disfruto el show, bebé. Alright, cita, dime pa' dónde vas, que yo te caigo donde.
Right, here we go, crystal application. I'm using my trusty old crystal resin from Diamond Nail Supplies. This stuff, I know I say it all the time, but it really is the best for crystals. I've used that Chiara Sky base. I used to use that and think that was good, and I used to, you know, occasionally people would lose a crystal, but it was mostly good. Very expensive though, it was like £7 or £8 a bottle, and I found that the lid always got stuck for me. But yeah, this crystal resin, my clients literally never ever lose crystals with it. And when I'm trying to take them off, I actually dread taking the crystals off because it's that difficult to get the bloody things off. So that's how good it is. And yeah, it's like £3 or something from Diamond Nail Supplies, and obviously you get a discount code. So I definitely, if you buy anything from there, just stock up on that crystal resin because it really is the best. So yeah, I'm going in with my attack-free top shine now, going over most of the nail, and then I'll just use a little detail brush just to go around the edge of those crystals so they're like sealed in lovely.
Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies, tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete, de la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami, de la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies, tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete, de la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami, de la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh no, no.
So after that top coat's cured, I come in and apply my cuticle oil. And yeah, that's the end of the set. I've left you a little picture at the end. So yeah, please like and subscribe and ask me any questions or just say hello in the comments. Make sure you follow me on social media. It's at DreamNailsByMC on Instagram, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye!